Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to the Young Med Education. So today I want to discuss the Cambridge International AS and A Level Mathematics 9709/52 Paper 5 Property and Statistics 1 October November 2020. Okay, so now we'll try looking at the question first. Okay, let's see the question 1. A play the 6 dice with the face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is thrown repeatedly until a 4 is orbited. Okay, when we see this keyword repeatedly, okay, we need to using the geometry distributions. In geometry distributions. Okay, and then now you see the question. Find the probability that orbiting a 4 requires a fewer than 6 strokes. Okay, so if you want to get the probability 4, right, is equals to 1 over 6. And then the question say fewer than 6 strokes. So you need to take this formula when less than equals to 1 minus q x. Okay, so we try to apply formulas here. Oh, it is equal. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's less than, right? Okay, less than 6. So you can consider x less than or equals to 5. So you can take 1 minus 5 over 6 power 5. So you will get the answer equals to 0.598. Okay, we see the next question. On another occasions, the die is thrown 10 times. Find the probability that a 4 is orbiting at least 3 times. Okay, so you see, thrown 10 times. Okay, so you need to using the binomial distributions. Okay, so you can see at least 3. So it means there were more than 3. So you can write here 1 minus when x less than 3 equals to 1 minus x equals to 0 minus x equals to 1 minus x equals to 2. Okay, because we know you will get number 4, right? So your probability is 1 over 6. Okay, 1 over 6. And Q is 5 over 6. Okay, so you can write here 1 minus, okay, you can write 10C0, 1 over 6, 0, 5 over 6 power 10. Okay, minus 10C1, 1 over 6 power 1 is 5 over 6 power 9. Minus 10C2, 1 over 6 power 2. 5 over 6 power 8. Okay, let's find the values. Okay, so you can take, okay, here you will get minus 0.16151. Okay, minus 10C1 multiply 1 over 6 multiply 5 over 6 power 9. So you will get 0.3201. Okay, here is 0.29071. Okay, so you will get the answer equals to 0.225. Okay, make sure your answers right in three significance figures. Okay, so now we try going to the next question. Question 2. Okay, a bag contains the 5 red balls and 3 blue balls. Okay, sellers take the 3 balls and renders for the book without the replacement. It means when the sellers take out the balls, right, they will don't replace again. So this probability or this event we can say is a dependence event. Dependent event. Okay, the random variable x represent the numbers of the red balls that she takes. A, show that the probability that sellers takes exactly one red ball is 15 over 56. Okay, if sellers takes the one red balls, right, it means the other is two blue balls lah. Okay, so let's see. Okay, how to calculate it. Because sometimes we can try to think things. Let's say, okay, first time you can take she can take the red balls, and then second or third times they will take sellers will be take blue balls, right? Okay, or first time is blue ball, second is red ball, the last is blue ball, or the first two times is blue ball, the last is red ball. Okay, so we need to consider these three cases here. Okay, and then you see, okay, probability, okay, one red. Okay, let's use this part. Okay, red ball, how many? 5 over 8. Okay, multiply. Okay, so the sample is already reduced, right? So we'll reduce to the 7. Okay, so you need to write 7 here. And then you see the blue is 3. Multiply 6 is 2. Okay, this is for number 1 case. Plus, okay, you see the number 2. Okay, 3 over 8, right? And then you reduce 7. 7. And then the rebel is 5. Multiplies, okay, 2 over 6. Plus, the blue block is 3 over 8 multiplies 2 over 7 multiply 5 over 6. Okay, what you can see now is number is the same, right? So you can write here 5 over 8 multiply 3 over 7 multiply 2 over 6 multiply 3 times. So you will get your answer here. Okay, so you will get 15 over 36, or you also can write in decimal place. You can write, no, okay, it just shows the 15 over, wait a minute, 15 over 56. Okay, sorry, I wrote wrongly. Okay, so let's go into the question B. Draw out the probability distribution table for the X. Okay, now we see the X. X is represent the red balls, right? Okay, so you need to draw lah. Okay, X, okay, P, X equals to X. Okay, 0. Okay, 1. Okay, number 2. A is number 3. Okay, and then let's start. Okay, let's start. Okay, you see 0, it means no rates. Okay, so you just take, okay, when X equals to 0, okay, you see the blue is 3, right? Okay, so you can take 3 over 8 multiply 2 over 7 multiply 1 over 6. So you will get 1 over 56. Okay, when x equals to 1, okay, you can copy here. You can write 15 over 56. Okay, and then you see it's number 2, right? Okay. Okay, so x equals to 2. Okay, so for the 2's, right? Okay, we can try to thinking this way. 2 red balls. Okay, 1 blue. Red, blue, okay? Or the first is blue, red. So you need to multiply 3 times here, okay? So equals to, okay, 5 over 8 multiply 4 over 7 multiplies, the blue is 3, right? 3 over 6 multiply 3 times. Okay, so you will get 15 over 28. 15 over 28. Okay, and then last, when x equals to 3, okay, this is very easy to calculate because you just take breaks. Calculate, so you take 5 over 8 multiplies 4 over 7 multiplies 3 over 6 here. Okay, so you will get 5 over 28. Okay, and then now we try looking at the next question. Okay, C. Given that the expectation equals to 15 over 8, find the variance. Okay, so now you need to find the variance. Okay, for the variance formula, we know E square x minus expectations. Okay, equals to, okay, equals to, let's see. Okay, so we can take the value. Okay, for the 0, we don't need to calculate. Calculate also can. Okay, so I take 0 square multiply 1 over 15, 1 over 56 plus, okay, 1 square multiply 1 over 56 plus 2 square multiply 15 over 28 plus 3 square multiply 5 over 28. Okay, and then minus 15 over 8 square. Okay, so now we start to calculate. Okay, so 1 over 56 plus 4 multiply 15 over 28 plus 9 multiply 5 over 28. Okay, so I write here 211 over 56 minus 15 over 8 square. Okay, so you can write out the answer. Okay, so you get the answer is 0.25. Eh, wait a minute. Calculate again. Plus 15 of, Wait a minute, I start calculate. Oh, okay. I'm missing one right here. 15. Okay. So you can take, okay, 1 multiplies 15 over 56 plus 4 multiplied 15 over 28 plus 9 multiplied 5 over 28. Okay, so you will get 225. 225 over 56 minus 15 over 8 squared. Okay, so you can write your answer 0.502 or 225 over 448. Okay, so this is your answers for the question C. Okay, sorry, I just forget to write 15 here. Okay, and then we try going to the next question. Question 3. Piasta runs the 2 kilometer every day and her times in the minutes are normal distributed with the mean 10.1 and standard deviations 1.3. A, find the probability that on the random choose the day Pia is longer than 11.3 minutes to run the 2 kilometers. Okay, so the question is asked is a normal distribution, so you need to change. Okay, so the question is now give you is normal variable. So now you need to change to standard normal variable. Okay, so you can write here equals to P Z more than 11 minus 3 minus 10.1 over 1.3. Okay, equals to P when Z more than 11.3 minus 10.1 over 1.3. Okay, so you can write 0.923. Okay, so okay, now I sketch the graph. Okay, now you see it's more than, right? It means there will happen less than 0.5. So you should be to write here 1, the minus here, okay, 0.923. Okay, so make sure open your table to find uh, the standard normal variables. Okay, so we find 0.9.92. Okay, 1 minus 0.8212 plus, okay, 3, 0.008. 0.178. Okay, so this is your answers for the 3A's. Okay, and then measures lah. Okay, write your answer in 3 significance figure. Okay, so now we try going to the next question. Question B. On a 75 of the days, Pia the take longer than 3 minutes to run 2 kilometers. Find the values of the t. Okay, so they say, okay, question say x more than t, right? Equals to the probability 75. Okay, so P, okay, Z, T minus, okay, so the mean is 10.1, right? Divided, okay, divided 1.3, okay, equals to 0.75. Okay, so let's see. You see, okay, the sign is more than, right? More than, and the probability is more than 0.5. So your Z should be put at the negative part. So you can write here t minus 10.1 over 1.3. And this is your probability. Okay, 0.75. Okay, so you can write here, okay, t minus 10.1 over 1.3. Make sure don't forget to write the negative here. Okay, now you see it's 0.75, right? Actually, you need to change to 0.7499. Okay, because you didn't get the exact value for the 0.499. Okay, and then you can find, okay, you can take 0.6, 0.6, wait a minute, yeah. Yeah, 0.6. You see, first 0.674. Okay, so right here 0.674. Okay, so your t value will get 1.3 negative 0.674 and then plus 10.1. Okay, 9.22 minutes. Okay, so that is your answers lah for the 3B. And then we try looking at the question 3C. Okay, on how many days on a period of the 90 days would expect Pierre, okay, to text the between 8.9 and 11.3 to runs 2 minutes. Okay, so you can, because this is a between, okay, so you can text 8.9 x 11.3. So now you need to change to standard novel variables lah, okay? And then, okay, text 8.9 minus, okay, what is the mean? Okay, 10.1. Okay, minus 10.1 divided 1.3. Okay, Z 11.3 minus 10.1 over 1.3. So you can take 8.9 minus 10.1 divided 1.3. Okay, so you can write negative 0.923. Okay, here is Z. Okay, 11.3, also same, 0.923. Okay, so you can directly to use the formula 2, okay, equals 0.9231 minus 1. Okay, and it usually is the same, right? From the part A, so you can take 0.8212 plus, okay, plus 0.008. Yeah, okay, 0.0008 minus 1. Okay, so you will get 0.644. Okay, so that is your probability. And then you see, okay, question say, how many days in the period of the 90 days, right? Okay, so you can take aspect. Okay, so you can say, okay, number of days equals to 90 days multiplied 0.644 equals to, okay, 57.96, right? So we can try to write the answers in 58, sorry. So you can say, so 57 days or 58 days. That's up to you lah. You see, you can consider the answer is 57 or 58. Okay, 58 because you see it's 9. But some you can also consider 57 because they didn't run off it. Also can, okay, depends on you. Okay, let's going to the next question. In a current country, the weather each day is classified as fine or rainy. Okay, the probability that a fine day is allowed by a fine day is 0.75, and the probability that the rainy day, right, is followed by a fine day is 0.4. Okay, the probability that there is the fine on the 1 April is 0.8. Okay, so you see, okay, 0.8, right? Okay, 0.8. So you will get rain is 0.2 here. Okay. Okay, so let's see. The three diagrams below shows the possibilities for the weather on the 1 April and 2 April. Complete the 3 diagrams to show the probabilities. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I already complete the 1 April, right? Because easy lah. So they says, when I see this sentence, it's fine. So it means your rain will get 0.2, okay, for the probability. And then we look at the question, look at the sentence at second sentence. Okay, you see, the probability of fine day is followed to the fine day. It means here's fine, right? So your here's probability is 0.75. And then you see the end after end the sentence, the probability that the rainy day is followed by the fine day is 0.4. So here will be show 0.4 because you see, first is raining, right? After the second day is fine day. So you should be take 0.4 here. Okay. And then two days out, okay, is fine. Or we can say followed by the by a fines. So it's 0.75 here. Okay. So you take 1 minus 0.75, you will get 0.25. And here is 0.6 here. Okay. So this is your 3 diagrams to show the probability. Okay. And then see the question B, find the probability that a 2 April is fine. Okay. Fine. Okay, so we will focus on these 2 probabilities here. Okay. Probability 2 April is fine. So will be equals to 0.8 multiply 0.75 plus 0.2 multiply 0.4. So this is your answers here. So you will get 0.68. So this is your answers. Okay, so now we see to the next question. Okay, let's X be the event that 1 April is fine and the Y, the event is that 3 April is rainy. Okay. Find the value of the P, X, and Y. Okay. So let's see. X and Y. So 3 is rainy day. Okay, so I will use this diagram again. Okay. So it's okay. The question say event X the is fine. Okay, so we will focus on this part. Okay. And then the question say, okay, 3 April is rainy day, right? So, okay, you can write here. Okay, so here is fine. Okay, rainy day. Fine, rainy day. Okay, so we try to see. Okay, so here you will get 0.75, 0.25. Okay, and then you see here is rainy, right? So you need to write 0.4, 0.6. And then now you can see, okay, because N, it means they want to continues. So I will text this part. Okay, this part is the first April and second April is fine day. The third April is rainy day. Okay, or first April is fine day, right? Second April is rainy, and then after that also rainy day. So okay, so we can look here. So when X and Y equals to 0.8, 0.75. 0.8 multiplies 0.75 multiplies, okay, 0.25. 0.25. And then plus, okay, plus again, okay, 0.8. And then multiply 0.25. 0.8 multiplies 0.25. And then the last, we multiply at 0.6. Okay, because we just follow. Okay, 0.6. Alright, okay, so you can start to calculate. 0.8 multiplies 0.75 multiplies 0.25. Okay, you will get 0.15 plus, okay, 0.12. You will get equals to 0.27. Okay, D. Find the probability that the 1 April is fine given that 3 April is rainy day. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so we already know. Now, okay, you see this keyword given that, right? So you need to apply the conditional probability. Okay, so let's start. P x given that y equals to P when x and y, and then you need to find the probability for y. Okay, okay. For now, the informations, we don't have the probability for the py, right? Okay, it means the rainy days. Yeah, okay, rainy days. Okay, it means you need to calculate other parts here. So fine, okay, is here is fine. Fine and rainy. And then, okay, now you see the probability y. Okay, now we need to find the probability y, right? Probability y. Okay, probability y is 3 apple is rainy. Okay, so we need to focus lah. Okay, and then you see, okay, 5 because we just follow backs, right? Okay, so we take 7 5. Okay, 0.25. Okay, rainy. Okay, here is 0.4, 0.6. Okay, so we will more focus. Okay, this third April, right? So we will see, okay, third April is rainy. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for these two parts, we already calculate in question, question 4C, right? So you can take these answers plus for both both probabilities here. Okay. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the probability is y. Okay, you can text. Okay, equals to 0.27 plus. Okay, plus 0.2, 0.4, 0.25. 0.2 multiply 0.4 multiply 0.25 and then plus okay, 3 days rainy, so you take 0.2 multiply 0.6 multiply 0.6 equals to, so you can take 0.27 multiply, okay, 0.02 plus 0.072. Okay, so you will get total is 0.36. Okay, and then for the p, x, and y, right, we also get the answer is here. Okay, 0.227, and then the probabilities for the y is 0.362. 0.27 over 0.362, Okay, 0.746. Okay, so that is your answers lah. Okay, now we see the next question. Okay, question 5. The following table give the weekly snowfall in the centimeter for the 11 weeks in the 2018 at the two skis resort, Danos and Livers. Okay, so you can see these diagrams. A represent the informations in a back-to-back and a stem and leaf diagrams. Okay, so now you need to draw for this part. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, so I try to draw here. Okay, here is Thanos. Okay, and here is Levin. Okay, now you try to see. Here is 0, right? Okay, we see the stem first. Okay, stem. For Thanos, okay, 0, 1, okay, and then 2, 3, and the last is 4. Okay, maximum is until 4 here. Okay, so we can see the Levinus. Okay, we see the stem first. Okay, 0. Okay, we also have 1 here. Okay, no 2. Okay, no 2, and then we focus 3, and the last is 4. Okay, so you can write here for the stem first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see. Okay, for the 0 parts, we see, okay, 6, 8, right? So it means we need to see got 1 digits only. Okay, so it takes the 6 and 8. Okay, and then Levinus, okay, we see got 1 digits also, 0 and 2. And we see, oh, it's 9. Okay, one more here is 9. And see the number ones. Okay, we can write here. Okay, 2 times. Okay, we already use, so we need to cancel first. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Okay, so you see, okay, we have the two numbers 10, right? So you need to write 2 times. And then, okay, 2, 5. Okay, 2, 5, 6. Okay, so we can cancel up. Okay, and then see the another. Okay, also start 10. 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay, number 2. Okay, for the Levinas parts, didn't have. And then here you will show the 2 and 8. All right. Okay, so we see 2. Okay. Okay, for the nose is 6 here. Okay, 6. And then here's 2. Okay, so finish. And then we look at the Levinas. Okay, you can write 2, 6, 0. Okay, so that is your answers. So okay, you must write the key. Okay, because you didn't write the keys, right? We don't know what's the meanings for informations back to back and stand and leaf diagrams. Okay, so you can write here key. Okay, so let's say 6 stroke 3 stroke 2. Okay, means 36 cm. Okay, snow in Danos. Okay, and 32 cm snow in Levis. Levis. Okay, so okay, we already complete. Now we see the question B. Find the median and interquartile range for weekly snowfall in the Danos. Okay, and then we need to find the medians, right? Okay, median. We know, okay, Q2, parts, we take 1 over 2 multiply 11 equals to 6.5 terms, right? Actually, it's nearest to the 7. Okay, so we take at the 7th lah. Okay, we see, we calculate. Okay, let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 6, 7. Hey, wait a minute. 11, so 6.5, right? Okay, or 11 weeks. Oh, okay. Okay, so 6.5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, so we can take here Q2. Okay, because I think it's got at the 7th part, so it's 15 cms. Okay, and then now we try looking at the upper and lower quarters. Okay, so we see the Q3. Okay, so is 3 over 4 multiplied 11. 8.25. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so correct. Okay, and then 8.5, so we can consider as 9 terms. Okay. Nice. So Q3 equals to, okay, we see at number 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we take 28 cm. Okay, and then for the Q1, okay, number 3 terms. Okay, so we see it's at 10. Okay, so Q1 equals to 10 cm. Okay, and then we need to find the in-quarter range. So we take Q3 minus Q1 equals to 28 minus 10 equals to 18 cm. Okay. Okay, so let's see for the question C. The median lower quarter and upper quarter for the of the weekly snow off for the leviness are 12, 9, and 32 cm respectively. Use these informations and your answers to part B to compare the central tendency and the spread of the weekly snow off in the Danos and leviness. Okay, so I write the answers here. Okay. On average, okay, you can see on the average, the, okay, how to know the average? Because you see, medians for the nanos is 15 cm, right? Medians for the levinas is 12 cm. So it means they will be higher. So you can write here, average on the snow of in nanos is higher. Okay, because nanos we know 15 cm. Okay, and then levinas 12 cm. Okay, for median. And then let's go into the next. Okay, the amount of the snowfall in the Levina area is more than there is. Okay, where is more than in Davis. Okay, why? Okay, see, if I take interquartile range for Levinus equals to, you take 32 minus 9. Okay, you will get 23, right? Okay, you can see interquartile range, okay, for Levinus more than interquartile range for Lenus. Okay, here is 23 cm, here is 18 cm. Okay, so I hope you can understand how to analyze for these informations. Okay. Okay, all right, so we're going to the last question here today. Okay. Okay, let's see the question 6. Mr. and Miss Amis with their two children, and the Mr. and Miss Beckers with their three uh, children are visiting an activity center together. Okay, they will divide into the groups for some of the activities. Wait a minute. All right. Okay. So it continues. Okay. Let's see the question A. How many ways that can the 9 people be divided in the group of the 6 and the groups of the 3? Okay. So we try to analyze. Okay. 3. Okay. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Here is 2 because we have husband and wife, right? Plus 2 children, you will get number 4. So, okay, and here 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So you have total 9 people here, okay? And then now we need to divide it into groups of the 6 and 3. So you can take 9, 6, 9C 6 multiply 3C 3 will be equals to 84, okay? So we were using the combinations to solve this question, okay? And then we see the next question. 5 of the 9 people are selected at a random for a particular activity. Find the probability that these groups of the 5 people contains of the 3 of Becker's children. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Okay. 5 over 9. Okay. Selected. So it is 5 plus 3 of other Becker's children. Okay. So we can try to calculate. Okay. So number with 3 Becker children. Okay, so we just take 5 only. Okay, so we take wait a minute. Okay, take 6 C2. Okay. Okay, multiply 3C3. Okay, so we need to apply this formula here. Okay, why I write to this formula? Okay, let's see. First, you need to take 3 of the bracket children's, right? Multiplies. Okay, multiplies to others lah. Okay, it means 6, other 6 persons, right? C2. Okay, so you will get 6C2 equals to 15. Okay, and then now we try to see, okay, total number of selections equals to 9C5. Okay, 126. So I can write probability, okay, equals to, you take number of the 3 bracket children, 15 over 126. So this is your answers. Okay, now you see the next question. All the 9 people stand in a line. Okay, find the number of different arrangement in the which Mr. Ahmed is not stand next to Mr. Breakfast. Okay, so when you see this question, okay, it's a permutations question here. Okay, so now we try to imagine 9 here. Okay, 9 lines. Okay, and then because the question says, okay, not stand to each other, so I consider Armands and Breakers stand to each other. Because when you see this question, right, we can try doing this way. You find the total. Okay, can take arrangement. Okay, we men not together equals to total. Okay, minus arrangement we men together. Uh, okay, so you see it's together here, right? So you can take 2 factorial. And then you see how many position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you can take 9 factorial minus 8 factorial multiply 2 factorial. Okay, so you will get the answer is 228, 82, 214. Okay, so that is your answers. And then we see one more, the next question. Find the number of different arrangement in which there is exactly one person between the Mr. Ahmad and breakfast. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, Ahmad and breakfast. So it's one person. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so for here we have the 7 factorials. Okay, this is the 1 positions. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? And then don't forget to multiply 2 factorials This for Mr. Armand and Mr. Becker. Okay, and then you need to multiply 7 times. 7 factorial multiply 2 factorial multiply 7 factorial. So you will get 17,516. Okay, so this is your answers for the question D. Okay, so we already finished for this paper today. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.